Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Logout. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out from Phantom Wallet account. To do this, firstly you'll have to go to your Phantom app. Once you open your app, you will be at the home page of this app. Now, before you start the procedure of logging out of your account, you will have to make sure that you remember or you have saved your recovery phrases, because you will not be able to log in back to your account without those recovery phrases. Once you make sure that you've saved your recovery phrase and you remember them, then you may go to the top left corner of your screen where you can see the settings icon. You may tap on that. Then once you're in your settings, you may tap on security and privacy right below preferences. Once you are in your security and privacy, at the bottom you can see the reset app button. Tap on the reset app button. Once you tap on that, then you may tap on continue to proceed. Once you tap on continue, you will be logged out of your Phantom Wallet account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.